Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to solve the print preview option in Google Chrome or any browser. First you open the Google Chrome. Here you need to click here three dots is there na? You need to click it and select the history and then click history. Here you need to select this option in the left hand side, delete browsing data. Here you need to find out of what are the options is there. You need to select it everything. Here go to the all time option. You need to set here autofill, firm data, site settings, hosted app data, everything you need to delete it. What are the passwords also, it will be deleted. Okay, saved passwords also it will be delete from this device. You need to click this. Now the what are the your browsing history has been deleted. And one more option, you need to select this option, reset settings. Here reset settings to the original defaults, click this and again reset settings. That's it. You need to restart your system. After restart your problem will be solved. Okay, thank you.